You say rigorous. I know once in a while a student will say, boy, I didn't expect my religion class to be that hard. Seminary was never that hard. Sunday school was never that hard.
Yeah, that's another reason that it's different than any other type of religious study that they'll do throughout their life. We're at an accredited university, and so the religion courses are more than just merely a devotional supplement to their lives. We're undertaking a directed study in a way that they probably never will do again, even though we fully anticipate they'll be back in the Book of Mormon, in the New Testament, etc. They'll probably never do it again this way.
Yeah. And what are some of the aspects of this way? Can you maybe some of the scholastic aspects of these courses?
I would say that one of the most obvious things is because there's a grade associated with it, students will go with us to places that they won't go if they're just studying for their own pleasure. They're willing to put in a little bit more effort, and with that effort, we can ask them to read things that they might not have read before. We can ask them to write and respond in ways that they probably wouldn't do if it were an institute class and they were just doing it for their own devotional purposes. We're able to tap into some of their intellectual skills, writing skills, in ways that just don't happen outside of a graded situation like we have at the church universities.
Yeah. I like what you say about the way it taps into their intellectual and rational and writing skills and things like this. Because religion here at BYU Idaho is an intellectual as well as a spiritual endeavor. We were expected to serve the Lord with our heart, might, mind, and strength, and that implies more than just kind of feeling good about it.